Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to calculate EMI or equated monthly installment. Now, whenever you are applying for a car loan, personal loan or housing loan maybe, they will let you know the fixed amount that you need to make payment over a fixed period of time. Now, what is that fixed amount or EMI is what we are going to calculate. Suppose I'm applying for a car loan and the loan amount is 3 lakhs. I'll just enter as 3 lakhs. And loan term is usually given in terms of months. So for 3 years, I'll give it as 36 months and my interest rate is 12%. So I'll give it as 0.1. Before we could get started, I'll just change the format. And in order to include 2 decimal places and a comma style, the shortcut is Control Shift and exclamatory mark. And to change or include percentage style, Control Shift and percentage is the shortcut. Now we'll quickly calculate the EMI. So I'll start off with equal sign. We are making use of PMT function in order to calculate EMI. Rate of interest is 12% divided by 12 because this 12% is for 1 year. So we are converting it to on monthly basis. And number of periods is nothing but my loan term, which is 36 months, comma, minus my loan amount. I'm taking it as minus because I need to repay, so that is the reason we are giving it as minus. So now close the parenthesis and then press enter. Once you press enter, it is automatically showing that the EMI amount will be 9,962. Or you can even change your loan term and check. If in case you change it to 48 and your EMI is 7,900. And that concludes this video. So thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.